If you are tired of not making profit while trading binary options and you have watched lots of YouTube videos, lots of strategy, and nothing seems to be working, then this video is for you. If you want to make profitable trades for lifelong, then watch this video by being totally calm. Just sit down and watch what I am telling and what I am trying to show you in this video so that you can be able to make profitable trades for lifelong. Also, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with the friends who are actually struggling while trading binary options. Whatever strategy you use while trading binary options or whatever indicator you use, nothing works for the 100% of the time. So it is extremely important for you to find out in the real time what actually is working in the market right now. Then only you will be able to make profitable trades for lifelong. Your loss ratio will be extremely low. I'll teach you exactly how you can do that. Firstly, you need to switch to your demo account and make some practice. Just load up your mind with 4 5 strategies, or you need to be absolutely clear on those strategies like support and resistance trading, okay, breakout trading, okay. These kind of things you need to have in your mind. Now, at this time, while I'm making this video, I know what strategy is working for the most of the time. And I'm actually going to show you by making few trades at here so that you can also understand and use it if it is working in the real time when you are making trades. So do subscribe to my channel if you want this kind of working strategy at the real time. So let's begin. I'm going to make some trades so that I can show you exactly how these things work. Firstly, you decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. Then make all of those currency pair your favorite by making these stars yellow. Just click on it and click on this stars and make it yellow so that all of these stars, currency pair appears above at here so that it will become easy for you to switch from one currency pair to another. Now, once you have done this much, then there is a pattern that is working right now, and I will show you exactly what it is, but let me find out in the real time at here. Okay, so we have found an entry point at here, and most probably our trade is going to go right in this. So whenever the timer hits 1 second, we'll make trade. If this timer is not showing, just enable this timer so that you can see it. Now we'll make trade in the upward direction. And most probably our trade is going to go right. And in the meanwhile, I will show you exactly, tell you exactly why. So as you can see here in previous candle, whenever there was two candles, the third candle was also green, okay, and similarly same thing have happened at here. Now at this current time, while I was testing different strategies, this different method and different theories, I found out that whenever there is this kind of pattern, okay, like after two green candle there is third green candle, again two green candle, there is third green candle. Now in that case, most of the time the trade would follow the same pattern. Okay. Now this is what I have found out in recent time, and I have used exactly that here to make the trade. And as you can see here, how beautifully it is going up. Most probably it is going to give us the profit also that we need. So it is as simple as this to make trade and make profit. So now I'll quickly search another currency pair where I'll see that kind of pattern and show you exactly. So here you can see after two candle there is third red candle, two candle there is third red, two candle there was third red. So we are going to make a trade in the same direction. As you can see here, after two candle there was another candle was red. Here most probably the same thing was being followed in the recent time. So most probably this trade is also going to go in the downward direction. But anything can happen while you make trade in binary options. So once you have made the trade, then don't overthink. Just be calm and see the market do its job and see if you can make profit from that or not. So as you can see how beautifully market was falling down and it have came up to this level, but in the start it was going up and you could have been panicked of making this kind of trade. Okay, now you may think like, oh, he's making trade by editing this video or something like that. Then I will surely show you the close trades. Let this close first. Okay, so here you can see we have made all of the trades were profitable. Okay, and if I show you the close trades, here you can see. Lastly, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free telegram channel and see the latest instructions there on how you can start to copy my trades. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.